guys. So, one day my niece decided to challenge Rihanna in a make-off challenge, no less. I don't think Rihanna has a clue, but yeah. Here's the video.
Welcome to Back to the Drawing Board. Hello everybody, it's me, Parker. Today, I'm going to be making some body shimmer inspired by Rihanna. So, we're going to be trying the experiment on Curlette. And you can follow her on Curl Art. She's an artist. Using some shea butter, African shea butter. And even, we're going to use my favorite scent, passion fruit flavor. I'm going to tell you how it smells. It smells like candy, guys. It smells like candy. We're going to get started now. Alright, we got a couple more ingredients I want to show to you. It's vegetable glycerine. We got some Forever 21 makeup, baked bronzer. Use this clean cup for the shea butter. This is my shea butter. I'm going to put in some glycerin oil, so I'm just going to flip this over. My mom is over here, don't worry. I'm not going to do this experiment by myself. So I'm going to put it to the 30 mil. I'm going to turn it by me. Well, and now let it pour. I'm squeezing it now. Oh, it's going in.
So now we're going to pour it in this cup. I'm bring the cup. It's kind of a little like see-through, but it's a little bit. But I can see it just fine. We're trying to get all of it in.
I will put it in this cup. Good boy. Psh. It's all in. There. Yeah, now I'm gonna pour in this. We're gonna pour in the shea butter. So now I'm going to pour it in. Let's get this stick in there. Yeah, it looks like honey, but it's not. It's turned into shea butter. Honey. Get it? Honey. Alright. Pour, and pour. This is the person who we're going to be experimenting on. This is Curlette.
Hello, my name is Corlette.
She's an artist, and she's on Instagram. Follow her on Curl Art.
Thanks for the plug-in, Parker.
You're welcome. Scrape all the glitter off on the Forever 21. We're gonna miss you. Goodbye. Say goodbye. Right. I will show you how much gold I've collected. Ready? 1, 2. Now I have to grab the spoon. Now stir. Stir, 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 stir. It feels a lot weird. Right now it smells like cocoa. How many drops? Bloop, 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 bloop. It kind of sounds like a timer. My cousins, yeah, mix it up again. Mix it. No, it's starting to smell like the thing I want. That's on my eye. Don't worry, I'm okay. Even, I'm gonna go get my goggles. Be right back. You're back, but my mom's disappeared. Don't worry, I have my goggles. Now I can mix. So, ooey gooey, but I don't care. Let's mix it up. Carlotta's gonna be here in a minute. I'm the scientist. Let me mix this blubber norb. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. So we're gonna make this into Carlotta's shoulder. Let's mix them up. Ewy. So good, guys. So good. Any second now, Carlotta will be coming. I'm gonna mix the jar. Now we're gonna be testing it on Carlotta. So first we're gonna scoop some up, put some here, rub, 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 rub. We'll see how smooth it is first. Carlotta. This is how it's smooth.
Yeah, that looks pretty smooth. Are you sure it's gonna look good on me?
Yep, we're sure.
Okay.
Right, Internet cousins?
Okay, I trust you.
All right.
Scientist Parker.
Now we're gonna put that back in.
Okay.
All right, now you got this brush.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, it won't hurt.
Okay, are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay, all right.
All right, so we're gonna put it right here.
Ah.
We're gonna rub it with the brush. Even you can make little designs like a heart.
Yep. Yep, you see the, wait. You gotta let him see the heart. Look, she gave me a heart right there.
Yeah. And even if you like put some more, then it kind of looks like you're shining.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just like going to like put it everywhere. That's it.
Yep.
I'm getting more.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
It won't hurt.
Okay.
You just.
I think you gotta rub it in. No, I think we have so much. We have so much, Scientist Parker.
Yep.
And
now we got this big brush.
Okay, what's the big brush for?
For you again.
Okay, it's for me, but
Yeah, would you
okay.
like to feel?
Yes, I'd like to feel it. That's really soft.
Yep.
That's nice.
Now we're gonna rub it. Massaging. And then gets it all over.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of looks like you're changing colors, but you're not. You have some glitter.
And it smells really nice too.
Yep, I put some passion fruit.
Oh, I like passion fruit. That's the good stuff.
Now we're gonna rub it on your shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
Curl it.
Yep.
We're gonna make sure everything's nice and golden.
Okay.
After this, I'm just gonna take a picture.
Okay.
Now I know who it is. Curl it.
Oh yeah.
Bum, 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 bum.
I'm super glowy.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can show everyone this.
Yeah. Good. Like you gotta get the whole shoulder. Yep.
Like I'm doing on top. Did it. It made. So this one is a comparison. So this one has nothing, and the other side is golden. Yes, golden. As a scientist, I have to try my product, but I don't wear makeup. No. Carlette is gonna put it on me, and I'm gonna try my product.
Yay, now I'm gonna be the scientist. Gonna put it here. Oh, yeah, okay, so we put some on.
It tickled the first time.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Okay. It just takes some time. Really gotta rub it in.
So, does it work?
It does work, but I think Parker may need another color though, like another bronze color,
Why?
because of our different skin complexions.
And that's where Rihanna got you guys beat.
So we worked it out, Rihanna. So it works on me a little bit, but Curlette, it works on Curlette even better. So you're the queen of lava. Thank you, Curlette. You are the best auntie ever.
You're welcome, Parker. By the way, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and also follow her on Instagram. By the way, I'm Core Art, the one she's always shouting out. So, yeah, I never ask her to do it for me, but, thank you, Parker.